Hello crafty people! Today I'm going to do another Resin Petri pour. I just love to do these because it is so fascinating to watch. I could just sit here all day and drop alcohol inks into resin and just always be mesmerised by the shapes that it makes. So today I'm going to use some citrus colours. These are all by Ranger. I've got Sunshine Yellow and Valencia, which is a nice orange, and then Citrus, which is a nice green, and I'm going to match them up with the Pinata White, and I'm going to make this one a thin one. Sometimes I'll do a 3 ounce amount of resin and get a thicker piece, but just recently I've been enjoying the 2 ounce ones, the thinner ones. I think they kind of look a little bit nicer. But of course you don't have the same depth of resin in order to get the results. So it'll be kind of a flatter finish, but I think it should look nice with these citrus colours. So as usual, I wear my respirator when I work with resins and alcohol inks. So I won't be able to talk during the inky process itself. You can just watch the fascinating shapes that it makes, and then I'll come back for the unmoulding at the end. So my piece is cured and it looks really quite different to how it looked when I put the inks in, because the inks have kind of moved off to one side and I've got a very clear section here now. But the back is just amazing. I love how it looks. Let's see, can the camera focus in? I can't see the screen very well from where I am, so I can't tell if it is or it isn't. But it's got some beautiful, beautiful marks just here, and some lovely bits where the ink is coming up into the clear section. Now it's interesting, of course, because the ink hasn't coloured the resin. If it had coloured the resin and then moved, we wouldn't have got a clear section here. So basically what happens is the ink suspends almost like particles within the resin and is therefore still free to move and give us clear areas. So I'm quite excited about unmoulding this one. Let's give it a try. Nearly done, and we are out. Let's take a look. Oh, that is very, very pretty. I absolutely love that. The way the composition in it in some ways is much better than the way I put the ink in. The way that the colours are coming up into this clear section around the top, I really love it. Absolutely lovely. And of course it doesn't have as much depth. It's much flatter within the resin. In fact, the colour appears to be kind of at the back of the resin, and then we've got the clear layer on top. So I am liking this one very much. Now my camera doesn't take great close-ups, so I'm going to take some photos now so that I can make you a little slideshow and you can get some lovely macro details of this one. So thanks for watching, hang around for the macros, and I'll see you again for some future crafting and pouring fun.